Hello everyone. Standard 4th, Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 18, Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. Students, in the last session you have learnt about drought relief, sea trade and other markets, high regard for women. Now let us continue this lesson. Next point, vigilance regarding cleanliness. Now vigilance means alertness or the action or state of keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj. Now regime is government or administration. So during the administration of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in home and the public places. He issued orders telling peoples to make a fence means barrier, of the Nirgudi bush around the house to prevent the entry of animal like mice, scorpions, insects and ants. Fumigation was also suggested to destroy the germs that are harmful to health. Now students, what is the meaning of fumigation? It is the method of pest control or is the process of using chemical smoke. People were warned not to leave garbage lying on the roads and markets on the fort. If garbage piled up in various places, in spite of all this, it was not to be thrown down the fort. It was to be burned on the spot, and the ashes were to be used as manure for vegetable grown in backyards. Now ashes means what is the left after burning, or the grey or black powder which is left after something has burned, and manure means the waste plant food. Shivaji Maharaj's management of forts, guns and firearms, his navy, protection of the environment, water management, sea trade, markets, cleanliness and hygiene is a guiding force for us even today also. Next point, Hindavi Swaraj. Now students, Hindavi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religion or community they belonged, was a Hindavi. Now students, what is the meaning of community? It means a group of people who have something in common. Their Raj was Hindavi Swaraj. Next point, religious tolerance. Now students, tolerance means acceptance. So the religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was liberal. Now liberal means big-hearted. In his campaigns, he never caused any harms to mosques. If he came across a copy of the Quran Sharif, now Quran Sharif is the holy book of the Muslim region. So Shivaji Maharaj would respectfully pass it on to the Muslims. He never hated Muslims simply because they were Muslims. If a person who had changed his religion wished to return to his original region, Shivaji always helped him. His own brother-in-law, Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith, Muslim religion. So Bajaji made Bijapur his home and he accepted the Muslim religion. He lacked for nothing, but he was unhappy that he had changed his religion. One day he made up his mind to come back to his own region. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him back in his region. The story of Netaji Palkar is similar. His region had been changed, but he wished to return his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him back into his region. Next point, remember him. Shivaji was a torchbearer in the dark night of slavery, a fighter who got the better of all difficult situations, who surely and slowly increased his strength while giving fight to powerful enemies like Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, Portuguese of Goa and the Siddhis of Janchira, who encouraged his comrades means followers and fooled his opponents. Fooled means deceive and opponents means enemy, and in the end achieved his goal. He was a model son, a cautious leader. Now cautious means taking great care to avoid possible danger or problems, or careful. A skilled organizer. A benevolent means kind and helpful to other. So a benevolent administrator. A clever military strategist. Now students, strategist means a person skilled in planning action, especially in war, or administrator. So, a great warrior. A terror to wicked. Wicked means enemy, evil. A defender of the good, and an epoch maker. Now epoch means era or a period of time in history that is important because of special event, characteristics, etc. When one seen all these brilliant facets means one part or side of his personality, one cannot but say it oneself. Bring to memory his wonderful image and remember his great achievements. Now students, do you know Shivaji Maharaj had a great respect for saints and holy men. He honored temples. He also gave protection to masjids. He respected both the Bhagavad Gita and the Quran Sharif. He gave protection to Christian churches also. He honored learned men. Parmanand, Gagabhat, Dhundiraj, Bhushan and other learned men receive his patronage, means support. He gave great honor on Sant Tukaram, Samartha Ramdas, Baba Yakut and Muni Baba. So students, here we have completed our lesson number 18. Thank you.